guys, and welcome back to my YouTube, and thanks for joining. So today I have done something that's simple to do. If you are bored of doing a brown smoky eye, this is an alternative. It's easy to achieve and looks good on everybody. I don't know someone that it wouldn't look good on, to be honest. Now, tips. Always use a cream base first before putting on your eyeshadow. It will grab the eyeshadow and intensify it, and it's an easier way to blend. That's number one. Don't overdo the skin. And number three, when you go under the eye, take it much lower than you would think. It's not going to create bags, so forget that. That's rubbish. And make sure you connect at the end, because you want your eye to be like a rounder, larger shape, okay? So, I hope you enjoy, and let me know how you get on. I'd like to see photos, and maybe you do something better than me, who knows? So I'm going to start with the mascara. I like to do this all the time, but especially important if you're blonde or fair. You can get right to the root of the lashes without messing up your eyeshadow, what you're going to create. Now, you see, it can get quite messy, but that's okay because you've not done anything yet. So clean up with a bit of Bioderm and a Q-tip. Very easy to get rid of that. I like to do the underneath too. You can always add more mascara on, but always make sure that you go through with a spoolie afterwards so you can separate them lashes so they don't look too cloggy. The separation is a really, really good thing also. Now I'm going to put a veil of colour. I'm using a cream. It's very bright. You don't need a lot on the brush. Use a flat brush. As you can see, it's like a veil of colour. It's just a suggestion. And I start from the middle and I blend out because I want it to be really faint. This will enable you to get a great blend very easily. Now I'm using a pigment. I'm going to start on the middle of the eyelid, and then I'm going to blend it out, because you want to soften the colour as it moves out of the lash line. Use a flat brush, it's easy to put on. Then I use a circular brush, dry with nothing on, just to blend, go back and forward. We call this the banana, and circle at the end because you want to fade it out. As you can see, I'm circling at the end just to fade out that blend. Now I'm using a stronger colour, but I'm using my fingers so I can really press it on now. I want the intensity to be in the middle of the eye. It will just give you that real pop of blue. Now, you get these little applicators in the eyeshadows, so use them. They're good. They'll press on the colour, and it's always nice to have a lighter amount underneath. Make sure you connect at the end because that's super important. I want to knock back my model's eyebrows. Now I'm using a hair mascara. You can get ones that are darker, but I want it to be lighter because I want it to be all about the eyes. So just take it back a couple of tones just to emphasize the eye. You will need to brush through this because it will get cloggy. It's just a hint of making it lighter. Cream blushes, brilliant. You can place them where you want and you can just blend it in with your fingers. I wanted a kind of an orangey-ish tone, and this one's great. It's very soft. Also, I still want her freckles to show through. It's really important to fill skin. Now this is just a little balm and it just finishes the look. I've tied a little scarf round, and do your hair, and there you go. Good to go. For a quick quick way to shop all these products used in this video, visit Shop My Shelf. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.